What's my crypto legends? In this episode, I just want to show you how bullish Bitcoin is looking for the next coming days, and that we could hit the $48,000 in the next coming days. We're also zooming in here because I did get stopped out from my short position, of course. I thought that this was potentially going to fail for a breakout and have a decent correction. This did not happen. Now we are breaking out. This bearish Gartley is totally invalid now, of course, breaking above the 0.78, which is the D point. So we can get that off the chart and analyze the situation. What resistance have we got? What support levels do we have also to take advantage? So make sure to stay tuned. All right, guys, I just want to show you here these potential scenarios on the 4-hourly. Okay, let me just zoom in and I want to show you the Gartley pattern that we have been talking about now for the last few weeks. All right, the point D here from the Gartley is to the 0.79. As you can see, this would be round about the $48,000 approximately. It looks like that Bitcoin is picking up to reach that target. Now, we are also forming a huge ascending channel, as you can see, going a little bit parabolic. Now, I'm going to explain what scenario could happen right over here, because when you have this kind of huge channel and you are reaching this resistance points that we're currently at right now, we are touching that resistance. Then if we do break to the upside in the coming days, this might be today or in the coming days, if we do not retrace and then break, this could take us all the way to round about that $48,000, which would be the point D of the Gartley pattern, as you can see. So the width of a channel is usually the distance, okay, that you do arrive once you break out of it. And it looks like that we are potentially going to try and attempt breaking here to the upside by the looks of things. We've also got this symmetrical triangle, okay, that we have been talking about also, where we did get that bounce. Now, the technical measured move is getting the width here of this symmetrical triangle, and from this breakout, this should take us around about the $47,000. We also talked about the potential cup and handle. There are too many bullish patterns, all right? So maybe we are not going to have those retracements, all right? And we are going to go above $46,000 very, very fast. We only just $1,000 away. Bitcoin is trading at $45,000. We were also talking about this cup and handle, right? I'm not sure if you guys can see it, where we did have this spike over here, this peak over here, this peak over here, and you can clearly see that you do have a nice round formation over here, creating the handle, breaking resistance, getting supported from this neckline, and now continue to the upside. This also, the target should take you to round about that $48,000 range, round about 47, actually $47,000 would be the technical target. So everything points out that we should be having that leg up in the next coming days, with or without retracement. If we do have a retracement down here to the support of the channel, in my personal opinion, this will be a good buying opportunity. Everything indicates that there are too many bullish signs, okay? Bullish setups, bullish patterns that indicate that we are going to hit that $48,000 very, very likely in the next coming days, guys. So this is what I got here by looking just at this chart. Now I want to go and look at this chart over here, because I want to show you VPVR levels also. If I just zoom out, the reason, you can see the cup and handle here right there, okay? I thought we were going to have that, retest and potentially dip down below before we were going to continue to the upside. I have been bullish midterm. I was just expecting a small correction potentially, or even a larger one, okay? But definitely some type of correction after this bullish momentum. One of the reasons why I didn't actually spot this, that we did get supported, was at the biggest point of control from the trading volume in between January and March, okay? So you can clearly see here this red horizontal line, this big red peak. This is when we broke, okay? When we broke this major resistance of this kind of cup and handle pattern, we got beautifully bounced from this level, and it's a very strong point of control. You can see the resistance, flipping support, and big point of control. So yeah, definitely didn't pay attention to that. Okay, I was looking on that Gartley pattern. Now the Gartley is invalidated and we continue to the upside. But our mid-term target is potentially going to be hit in the next few days, which is that $47,000, $48,000 range, okay? Getting a bunch of liquidity above this major resistance, that 45.5, $46,000. And if I just zoom out slightly a little bit and look at the trading volume in between December and March, okay, from December till March, looking at these 4 months of trading, you can see that on the VPVR that we have got above a major level. As you can see right over here, we are starting to see no volume till we arrive at the $47,000. So that's why I think it is very, very likely that we are going to manage slightly to get above this range in the next coming days to get that bunch of liquidity. Then we will have to analyze the situation, how the price is going to react to this level, because we could see some potential retracements. This is going to be it for this quick update, guys. Thanks. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.